The Elgg Foundation is a project that is being started by core developers and other contributors. I'm very excited about the prospect of the foundation because it allows interested parties in Elgg to officially support Elgg and to have an official voice in Elgg. We created the foundation because we identified a gap in how Elgg was presenting itself as an open source project. We had open code, we had increasingly open development procedures, but there was no good way for our user base to really communicate their expectations and their feature requests and their comments on our roadmap to the core team. So the foundation is something that we're hoping will help to solve that. We've been working with Thematic Networks, who actually owns the copyright to Elgg, and they've been extremely helpful and cooperative with helping us to set up this foundation so that Elgg can be continued as an open source project. Basically, the idea of the foundation is we have a membership. Anyone can be in a membership. We'll have very accessible membership dues. There will be ways to get into the membership through contributions if monetary doesn't quite work for you. And so we've got the membership, and then we have the board. And the board is a group of individuals that is elected by the membership, and they represent that membership. And the board is who communicates the wants and the wishes and the problems the membership has to the development team. The lead developer sits on the board and serves as liaison between the people who actually write Elgg and the people who use Elgg. We identified this sort of gap in end users, developers, and core contributors in Elgg. It's very difficult to create something that allows these groups of people to speak to each other on the same level, because you'll have developers who are concerned primarily about technical issues, and you'll have end users who are primarily concerned on why when I click this does it not do this. So we're trying to merge these two or three groups of people and allow the end users to have a larger voice in the project itself. There have been some interesting challenges along the way. It'll be set up as a nonprofit organization, so we're not going to be soliciting, we're not going to be selling any services, but we also will be taking membership dues from the membership. I mentioned that there are other ways to contribute that will award a membership, but the primary way is going to be through membership dues, and all of those dues feed directly back into the Elgg project. They will either sponsor development or Elgg camps or funding for our servers, funding for any other projects that we might have running. So it's a very exciting time for Elgg. I'm looking to have the full foundation running hopefully by the end of summer, and we'll start talking about how members can join and what exactly comes with that, and it'll be exciting times. So if you have any questions about that, please ask, and I'll do my best to answer.